Raven, something for you. What is this? Parang new phone, parang new earpods. Okay, after we open this, so we're gonna tell you something. You guys, these are new phones, so we can short every day and videos. We're happy to see you guys again. These were full storage on the one phone. And today, this is a brand new phone. So we can short every day. This is not full storage. But for a lot of money, guys. 18,000. 18,000. No, it's 9,000, guys. Mommy said. Mommy said. This is expensive. So expensive. So we can shorts every day. Shorts every day. We're happy. Because we're rich, guys. We have so many money. So we can buy 9,000. Yes, like iPad 8,000, guys. We afford that. We have money, guys. Yes, and always so we shop every day so we can see now, guys. These weren't full storage anymore on this. For this is brand new. This so long to low battery long. Yes, this it's brand new. Yes, now let's go get start opening. Lebede. Lebede. Tayo po. Tataya. Let's go start opening. Sabay for you, Draven. Oh, thank you, Daniel. This iPhone, an 9X9D 5G Honor X9B 5G. Yes, so say by this, guys. So expensive. Yes. Now same bro. Yes, guys. Don't forget the AirPods. The AirPods is brand new too. Guys, let's go. Where should we start, guys? The earbuds or the phone? So, mini, mo. Let's go. Mini, mo. Who's over here and he's over here? The phone! The phone first. The phone first. Let's go start opening. Yes, so we're gonna open you later. Oh, it's right here! Right here! What is this? Oh, a charger. Charger. What is this inside? Why is this inside? Never mind, buddy. This is a charger. Why so fat? It's so fat, guys. Like Peppa Pig. Dad's. Peppa Pig. Daddy Pig. It's right here. My logos. Never mind. Never mind. Let's go fit the charger on this. Look at it. Here should this brand new. Look at this. It's the tape. See the tape, guys. Then let's go put this charger over here. Wait a second, guys. What is? It's done. It's fixed perfectly, guys. It fixed perfectly. Guys, the phone. Mine. Mine. It is covered with plastic. Yes. You go open it. Open it. Here to say don't break it. Don't break it. Wait, wait lang. Yung free case. Look, it's shiny. Look at that. Back of our phone. Yep, brand new case. It's power off. Let's go on it. It's on it. On it. Dapple, what is going on? Going on, guys? Is what the? You get scammed? Wait, guys. You get scammed. Wait, guys. Wait. Wait, look like that, guys. Wait. This, let me go to the settings. You got scammed. The one. Wait guys, it's changing. What is this? Explore tayo. Explore kami. This, Luis, we didn't got scammed. What the? Customize it. We got scammed. This phone is fake. Throw it out. That is a prank, right? We didn't buy that. That's a prank. So, guys, but it is a brand new. Now, guys, the repulse next. Tripod, guys. Open it. Mine. Open it. Open it. Break it. Break. Slowly, slowly. Why is this so hard to open? It comes with a charger. Pull it out. It's circle. Oh, guys. Look at it. Let me see what it look like. It glows. This is brand new, guys. We're not lying. This is brand new. Even play Roblox. Don't listen to the instructions. Do listen to this guy. You get scammed. Dear customer, thank you very much for purchasing too high quality T1WS. Thank you for very much purchasing for a high quality M series. This product is excellent quality too. Someone is laughing. Never mind then. Yes, you know the this the sponsored by Honor, guys. This sponsored by Honor, by it. This sponsored by Honor and where's the Honor? Never mind then. Look at the mess we got. There's so much mess, guys. To clean it up. Let's clean it later, guys. Let's go clean it up now, guys. Because so to play Roblox now. Okay. We have a new phone, guys. This a new phone. This is not the new phone. This is the new phone. So we can share every day. Yes. Hope you like the video. No, guys, clean it up. Clean it up. Oh. So, clean up, guys. Yes, before we like the video, before we hope you like the video. Wait, this on the iPhone. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go put it back. Go to clean it. Yes. I hope this is not. Put it in. Let's go out. Let's go. Hope you like the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye guys. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe to this channel. It's ours. Guys, wait. Please go look. Click the subscribe button. Yes. Thank you for watching. We're going to videos every day now. Yes, we want. It's because we want. Yes, we want to see you guys. Let's go look, guys. Go look. Yes, it's full story. But over here is not, guys. This brand new. So you can search every day. This is the same email. The same email of this. So we can So this both is the same channel, same TikTok and same Facebook,
Same Roblox.
same Roblox, same Messenger. Guys, we can we want guys, this brownie phone.
But hope you like the video. Like, comment, share.
No. Be banned. Oh.